Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Loom Band show. So this is, a Loom Band choker. This is my choker. I've got two different bracelets that I've put together into one. You'll be needing two clips. Now these clips are very small and see-through, if you can see. So yeah. You'll be needing two of them, or those letter S ones that you can get. You'll be needing these, so you could either get this one or the different colours of these small ones, and this. Alright, so first off, what you want to do is choose your two colours. Now, it can be whatever you want, like whatever colours and whatever pattern, or just a rainbow. I'm probably going to go with green and blue, because we have a lot of them. So you always want to make sure you start at this red arrow here, and you want to place your loom band across just till you get to the end. You'll be repeating yourself twice because there's two clips if you want to make a choker. Or you could do it handmade, but that does take longer and lots of practice. Alright, so I'm just gonna keep on going, and you only stop when you get to the end where there's no arrow. Then we'll be using these. And make sure that you don't, if you muck up, make sure you fix it, or else your bracelet at the end when you pull it off will be a total disaster. So we're getting through to the middle. So this takes kind of a while to do. So if you have two of these, that would be great, because you could glue them together. So it could go further, so you wouldn't need to just clip on same time. Clip on, make two. You could just keep going. But we only have one, so yeah. I'm nearly at the end. So oops, that's a green. So I'm just going to show you how far I've got on it. I'm going to keep going. Here's a blue. By the way, some of them can get stuck together like this one. It's a two loom band. So you just want to pull them apart. They don't get stuck on too hard. There's lots of different types of loom bands. There's glow in the darks, sparkly ones, jelly ones, all sorts. Alright, so right now I'm using a lot of different sparklies because I'm just grabbing random of different types of two same with the colours. And they're mostly all sparklies. Or see-through. Alright, so I've got, say about, looks like 4 more to go. Let me just double check. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4. Oh, that's the blue. Then we'll be using this tool after. There's so many two colour ones, they trick me all the time. Because there's this purple and green two colour loom band. And then there's another purple and green two colour loom band. And so many different ones that they all confuse me, because when I see the green side, I'm like, oh, there's a green loom band. Then I grab it and it's two coloured. So tricky. Because there's so many loom bands all covering them over. I'll show you the box in 2 secs. Alright. Because they're all like literally covering them over. Now we're going to be using this. You want to not start at the red arrow. Grab it, go underneath, take it over, around, and over the other one. You can choose to use the little one either, but I prefer the big one because it's easier. I'm just going to see if I've got any more of the little ones in the box. No. Alright. Oh, so they're the little ones. You want to keep repeating that over and over till you get to the red arrow end. So you're going to do this twice, or you could just add, say, 10 more extras onto the end, handmade. But anyways. So I'm nearly at the end. I'm about halfway through. Yeah, I'm going to use a little one. Right, no, there's none of that. Oh, there's one. My sister just gave it to me. Ah, I messed up. So if you mark up and make one bit come off, you just want to re-grab it. Ah, I made another one come off and another one. Ah. And can I get you in this video for 2 seconds? I need you to hold this. No, so not that, the thingy to make it still. This. Don't break up my nail. We nailed it. My sister's name's Emily. She begged me, she really wanted to be in this video, but I was like, no. But then now she was. Hey, Em, can I get you to show them for a little while? To show them. Just so I want them to see how you do it. So I want you to try and do that pattern too. Okay. So do you want me to show you how to do it? So we want to go under, bring it up, around and over.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yep.
I know how to.
Yep. So can you fix that?
You hold it.
So we want that there.
How do you fix
This is what happened to me, Em, when I need to use that there, and then we put that over there. So you want to go under, over, around, okay?
it?
Try not to muck up the
Do
whole
we go
thing.
in that one?
Yep, and then you want to bring the blue one around. You want to go around? Yep, so that's right. So bring it around. Can you get it? And then you want to bring it over the other one. Ah, that's right. Can I get my chair back? Good trying though. So just a reminder, this is the choker we want to make. Let's see if we can. Alright, so I'm going to try and go a little faster now. so I'm just going very quick. So I think I might zip up my mouth for a little while so I don't get distracted. Ah, get back. Yeah. So we might only get to do a bracelet today, but I think I might add 10 extras on. Alright, so I got a couple more bands till I get to the end. About 1, 2, yep, 2. Alright, so my pattern's complete. This is what it looks like. And on this end, you can either leave it like this, or I don't know how to do it, but my mum makes it into that. Alright, now I'm going to grab this little tiny clip here. There's a little opening. I'm going to go put this one through. Put it around my finger, take it off the loom band bits, and go. And it'll just peel them off. Like peeling a potato. Oops. One of the bands came off. Ow. My hand got trapped. Don't laugh, Em. Another one came off. My fault. Alright. Now I'm going to handmade my other ones, but I'm just going to go random. No! We'll make that 15. Now, when you hand make, you might want very small fingers. So, Em, have you ever hand done it?
No.
You want to get it between the gap. Maybe not. I think I'm just going to stick with this. This is my brace. Choker. Let's see if it fits me. But I'm pretty sure it won't like the other one I made. The other one, actually, one of the kids did at school for me. It was Noah. He made me a tiger Loom Band bracelet at art because I didn't know how to hand make them. Or because I had never actually learnt how to hand make. It fits. Barely.
Might get me better.
Oh, great. It's tangled in my hair. So these are some Loom Bands.
Do you want me to take that over here?
So, Em, can I get you to show them that? And so that's the choker. Noah made me this bit, and then I thought I would join it with one of mine to make my own choker. And to go up on my seat. Not like the other one. The other one doesn't fit. I got it out. So we'll make that a bracelet instead. And this is my choker. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment down below, and hit the bell. Bye!